Today I am going to make grape barbecue meatballs, and it's got 3 ingredients. I got barbecue sauce, and jar of grape jelly, and a package of frozen meatballs. So I am going to, let me get me a spoon. I'm going to put a jar of barbecue sauce in here. I hope everybody's doing okay. And then I've got a jar, 30-ounce jar of grape jelly. This takes 3 ingredients. Okay. I'm going to mix this up. I have never made anything like this before, but I search new recipes, just try to, I try to make different things I've never made before, and I love to cook. I've always loved to find new recipes and try them out. I was doing that when I was a teenager. Matter of fact, I'm 80 years old, and I got me a recipe box, a little tin recipe box, and when I was a teenager I was hunting recipes and writing them down on cards. And believe it or not, I've still got that. Let me see. Yeah, I'm still going. I still got that box up in the cabinet. One day I'm going to get it, and see what all I've got in there. And this, you cook this in a slow cooker about 4 hours. Okay, I am going to pour this over in my slow cooker. I can see that. More of a appetizer thing, and I'm gonna make these. I'll eat some of them, but I'm gonna put them in a plastic bowl with a lid and put them in the deep freeze. That way, it won't. Next month is Thanksgiving, and I'm using 32 ounces of frozen meatballs. Let me go. Well, my slow cooker's almost too small, isn't it? But I got it all in there. I just picked these up at Walmart a while ago. You'll see my Walmart haul before you see this. Because I put out a video every other day, and I've got where I got jokes coming in, posting jokes the days that I don't make a video. They seem to be going over good. I like to try new things. Let me get me a bigger spoon. These are going to be so good. And you put these on a tray and put a toothpick in them, and then serve them that way. Get that juice up on top. Later, I went by the recipe. I poured the juice, BBQ Grape Jelly in. It said then Dr. B, and I should have put my meatballs in there first. Okay. I am going to put the lid on. And I'm going to cook this about 4 hours, and I will bring you back. That tastes good. All right. And I will bring you back when I get them cooked. All right. This came from Walmart too. It come in the mail today. I ordered this online and they shipped it to me. This is 8 yards of cotton fabric, and I'm going to use this in quilting. And this wasn't all that high. It was $30-something for 8 yards. That's about $2 and something, between $2 and $3 a yard. So that was a bargain, and that is real good material. But there's 8 yards. I've got another one that's coming in, and it's a different print. But this is it. Let me get over here. Look at what I'm cooking. All right. I'll bring you over here to see this. It's a cooking. I've had it on about an hour and a half. So I've got about 2 more hours to go. So in 2 hours, I'll get to eat. I'm going to eat 3 or 4 of them, and then I'm going to put the rest of them in a plastic bowl and put a lid on it, put it in deep freeze. That way I can set them out for Thanksgiving and stick a toothpick in them, and they'll look pretty. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, these meatballs are done. I'm fixing to cut it off. I got one on a toothpick. I've already tasted it, and it is so good. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. I'm going to put the recipe in the description, and y'all have a wonderful week.